Birds in the coop, my nigga keep the pistol beside them. They play with us, you know we own them. I know a couple bitches that'll be on your ass at your head and leave them in a coma. I cannot fuck with these niggas, I ride my own wave and they hitting cause this is my moment. They wasn't fucking with me when a nigga was down, so I gotta flex on my opponents. I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shots, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy JCTV here back with another video. And today, I'm getting my splitter put on. Hold on, I'm straight. I'm getting my splitter put on for the front of my car. So, I'm on my way to my homeboy house right now. So, when I leave from there, then I'ma cut my camera back on so we can get this install in, baby.
Man, look at that shit.
Oh yeah, that's hard, bro. Like your car way harder than mine.
Hell nah, dude.
You tripping?
You got a position right.
Yeah, I think that's what the 3M tape for though, so like you can get it to hold on enough until you actually drill it.
Hold on enough until
Yeah.
you get it.
That might be what that's for. Took my easy lip off, took the flap that's off under the car. But let me show you my homeboy car. This nigga too efficient. Too hard. And he got the wicked wheel on. Make sure y'all go follow my boy. Go follow my boy on Instagram. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. I get that couch. I ain't too much tripping about the couch. Oh yeah, that's hard, bro.
Huh?
That's hard.
I already know what this is gonna be in the morning.
Too official. Too official. Oh yeah, I see it. Too official. Yes indeed. Yes sir. Hold on, bro. I gotta cut my lights on, bro. 9,012. I think it's like an 811.
That's the size I use. The real skinny ones.
It just depends, like, cause you know, these lights got fans in them.
Yeah, mine got big ass fans in them too.
Yeah. So you might have the same size as me though. Man.
My demon eyes separate from my head, like.
See I ain't want the DR. I wanted the DRLs, but when I saw how much you got to go through to take that headlight housing off, ain't worth it. Not to me.
That's why you gotta put lights in and do it.
Yeah, it is hard, bro. I like this one.
The police too, though.
And you say your car not harder than mine, bro.
I fuck up that police shit. I fuck this shit.
You got strobe lights? What, bro?
This shit like the law.
Oh, everything you do though. You got white and blue.
That shit does. Parade.
Bro, I need something like that. I need my DRLs like that.
Walker. Heartbeat.
Oh yeah, I got heartbeat on mine.
1000. This shit just lava lamp.
Bro, y'all gotta get you one of them, bro.
I'm going, I do.
Y'all gotta get you one of them.
That bitch so hard.
Alright, y'all, so the only reason I'm doing this is because I feel like I didn't show y'all enough in the video, so basically I'm gonna show y'all everything that we do. So it's a 3-piece splitter, right? So you got the two pieces that go on the side, and this go this way. This gonna go towards the left side. I didn't get the other one because I can show you exactly what you gotta do. And then this is the middle piece. So basically, so look, let me just go. These end pieces, right? Now, you're gonna end up needing them because you're gonna have to cut this. I'm gonna tell you exactly where you're gonna have to cut it. You're gonna have to cut it about right here, right where this angle starts. And I'm gonna tell you why. When you put the splitter on, it is gonna go past your bumper, like the very side of your bumper. And it's gonna touch the mud flaps that every charger comes with. It's not necessarily a mud flap, it's more like a water guard. But it's gonna touch it and keep it from being flush with the body. It's gonna be outside of the body. So therefore, cut it right here and you won't have that problem. The cap is what's gonna cover the cut. The cap is gonna cover the cut. Now mine has a clean cut, but I still put the caps on anyway because it was just open space right here. So I put the caps on, right? Now with both, okay, so like I told y'all, this is the left side. So on the back of the splitter, you drill into these holes right here. This is where you put these black screws in. That's what these black screws for. I'm gonna take these out the bag. I just don't want to lose them. That's why I take them off. But these black screws are meant to go in those holes right there. I might get these bags open. These black screws are meant to go in these holes right here. Now, I didn't end up using these screws because we got the splitter on without them. But I guess the kit just sent them anyway. I didn't end up using these. These short screws are for connecting the splitter, the different pieces to each other, because it's a three-piece splitter. Okay. The 3M tape is for you wanting to put your splitter on if you didn't want to use a drill. Okay. That's what the 3M tape is for. Now, only reason I don't recommend this is there's gonna be a gap in between where the splitter is, between the splitter and your bumper. It's gonna be a small gap, but there's gonna be a lot of wind, air, you know, things that water get into. And the tape's not gonna touch that part of the bumper anyway, so it defeats the purpose of you even having screws, which is why you need to use screws. Now these, okay, when we first put the splitter on, the splitter was angled. So the splitter was angled up. Oh my hand, anyway, the splitter was angled up. When you put these on, it's gonna level out the splitter. That way your splitter doesn't look like it's just angled straight up. It's gonna have a natural like angle with the bumper, as you're gonna see in the video. So that's just like some quick tips and everything as far as you putting on the splitter. But other than that, like getting the splitter on, drilling holes and everything, that's easy. It's not really hard, okay? So I just have to put this video out there only because I feel like I didn't put out enough footage of us putting the splitter on. So yeah. Yes, sir. So I finally got some better lighting to show y'all the splitter, bro. And I actually got this splitter on eBay. So I got another splitter at home that I can show y'all where we made cuts and exactly where we put the bolt set so y'all can put it on y'all car. Now this is not a universal splitter like you can get. This is a Dodge Charger specific splitter, like the 2015 through 2018, and it's made for the RT, the SXT, the SE. But if you get like the newer body styles, like the GT type body styles, you can't get it. But yeah, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, I never thought I'd be this type of person to have a splitter like this, but I actually like it, bro. It came out nice. Now, only thing about it, that blue a little different, but that ain't nothing. Like, that's something that I can do myself, you know? What is that? Yeah, bro, honest to God, that's a mall. I honest to God recommend y'all go get the split. I paid $88 off of eBay, and I think Amazon got them too. I think. I'm not gonna tell y'all so, but I think. And it came fast. It was supposed to come on the 1st, but I got on the 28th. So yeah, I definitely recommend y'all get it. Like, it's got so much condensation in it. But anyway, next thing is the wicker bill that I will be putting on. Then my car done. Now, as far as me wrapping the other side, I don't know about that yet. Like, it's kind of cool having one side wrap, because people look at this side and be like, okay, you know, it's got some slight stuff there, and you go to the other side, oh. But yeah, this split hard, bro. Hard body, hard. That's something hard body Pablo. I definitely recommend y'all go get it, bro, for real. But yeah, man, it's cold outside. I just got off work again, and I got shorts on. So I'm gonna end the video right here. But I'm definitely gonna be putting out way more content. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. We hit 1K today. Today is the 1st. We hit 1K today, October the 1st. We hit 1,000 subscribers, bro. I appreciate y'all. We're going to keep elevating. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep going up. And I say we because I wouldn't be in this position if it wasn't for y'all, bro. But yeah, with that being said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Share the video. Get it out there. I'm out.